Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we are referencing a GE electric version laundry center. And in the event that your laundry center is not turning on, we are going to remove the front panel and show you the 3 electrical connections that might be causing it. Let's get started. As you see, here is our GE laundry center. Washer on bottom, dryer on top. Step number 1, always safety first. Go ahead and carefully disconnect the power cord from the electrical connection in the wall or outlet. Again, safety purposes, cut all electrical power to the system prior to servicing it. Power cord disconnected, and as you do that, just be careful. Don't yank it in an offset manner and bend it, and carefully set it down where it's not going to be harmed during the remainder of the project. And from here, we are going to come down, and we have 2 screws, one on the left-hand side right there, and one on the right. We are going to carefully unscrew and remove those, and we are going to allow that lower panel right there in between the dryer and washer to be removed. Camera now position, referencing the left-hand side screw, and carefully unscrew and remove it, and don't lose it. Set it in a safe location. The screws are about 1 inch long. Now to the right-hand screw. From here, we are going to carefully lower this down and remove it. And you've got 2 little tabs, one on each side. You just shift it down and pull it out. A close-up view of the electrical wiring and motherboard. And inside there, the hot and cold water line connections and the dryer duct in our case feeds down and out as shown there. Alright, DIYers, hey, quick break in the action, and I'm actually going to remove this front panel of the dryer, and you do not have to do that. That's very important to mention. All you have to do when inspecting the control board that we see now with all the electrical wiring, as well as the 3 additional electrical connection points that I do want to show you that are hidden right now behind that aluminum panel with that long sticker on it, as well as that front dryer panel. All you have to do is remove the 2 black screws, one on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side of the bottom portion of that aluminum panel that has that long sticker on it that alternates red and yellow all the way down. And once you remove those black screws, you can carefully shift that aluminum panel out and set it aside. And at that point, you will gain access to everything that I want you to check regarding electrical wiring and connection points. So moving forward, you will see me grab the front panel, remove it, and point out those 3 connection points. And here are the 3 connections, 1 and then 2 on the right-hand side. Let me scroll in. As you see right here, I'm going to start with this one and push in on the back side and remove it. As shown there, same thing. Inside here, there is a compression tab. Push it and carefully pull the 2 apart. Do not pull it by the wiring. That would not be good. There's number 2 and number 3. And a quick view of the 3 electrical connections, one on the left and the 2 on the right-hand side. From here, I'm going to re-secure all 3 electrical connections and ensure they are locked in place as shown here. And all 3 are locked in place. We can then tuck these away and re-secure that lower panel that we removed to gain better access to the wiring. Alright, DIYers, another quick break in the action, and at this point just put everything back together and carefully plug the system back in and see if it reset or reconfigured. And if it did, awesome. However, if it does not and you have not already done so, it is now time to perform a full system reset. And down below in the comments and description, we have 2 options. And the first one, believe it or not, you can actually perform much quicker than everything we showed you in this video. And in addition, the second reset procedure, we will guide you to your household circuit breaker panel, where we will reset a very specific circuit breaker that will assist in performing a full system reset to your appliance, and in our case, our laundry center. We hope this helps.